student, the unit trigonometry contain 12 mark, and my dear student, it is very easy to score 12 out of 12 mark in this topic. The first chapter of trigonometry, it is introduction to trigonometry, in which we first see the important formula and concept. What is trigonometry? The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek word tri, which means three, gon means side, and metron meaning measure. Trigonometry is the study of relationship between the side and angle of a triangle. Trigonometric ratio of an acute angle of a right angle triangle. Before seeing this formula, first we will see what is hypotenuse, what is base, and what is perpendicular. Let us take a right angle triangle ABC. In which B is right angle and angle made at point C is theta. Then the side opposite to 90 degree, side opposite to 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. You will see that the angle theta is made by those two sides, that one is hypotenuse, another is called base, and third side is known as perpendicular. Let us try to understand from one more figure. If ABC is a triangle in which B is right angle and at point A theta angle is made, then the side opposite to right angle, that is known as hypotenuse. The angle is made by two sides, one is hypotenuse, the other is base, and third one is perpendicular. I think it is clear for you what is hypotenuse, perpendicular, and base. Now we will see the T ratios. In XOY plane, let a revolving OP starting from OX trace out XOP theta. From P, draw a perpendicular PM to OX. Right angle triangle OMP, let OM equal to, assume X or B, base, that is base, and PM, that is Y, or P, that is perpendicular, and R, that is H, that is hypotenuse. Then sin theta equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse equal to base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta equal to opposite side upon adjacent side, or you can say perpendicular upon base. As you know, cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, therefore cot theta equal to B by P. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, that's why sec theta equal to H by B, and cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, that's why cosec theta equal to H by P. These are the formula. Now we will see reciprocal relation. At sin theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta, also cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. Cos theta equal to 1 upon sec theta, and also sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. Tan theta equal to 1 upon cot theta, and cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. Quotient relation, tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Now remark number 1. Sin theta is read as sine of angle theta, and it should never be interpreted as the product of sine and theta. That is, you can't write sine theta as sine into theta. That is wrong. This is only one term, you can't separate that. Then second remark is sin theta whole square is written as sin square theta. Similarly, sin theta whole power n is written as sin n theta, n being the positive integer. That is means you can't write sin theta whole square equal to sin theta square. That is wrong. Or you can't write it as sin square theta square. That is also wrong. The correct way of writing this, you can write this as sin square theta. Then remark number 3 is trigonometric ratio depend only on the value of the theta and are independent of the length of the side of the right angle triangle. Now we will see trigonometric ratio of complementary angle. That is sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta, tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta, sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta, and cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. These are the complementary angles of trigonometric ratio. Next formula is trigonometric identity. What is trigonometry identity? An equation involving trigonometric ratio of an angle is said to be trigonometric identity if it is satisfied for all the value of theta for which the given trigonometric ratio are defined. Identity 1 is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From here you can find sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta and cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Second identity is sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. From here you can calculate tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1 and sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Then third identity is cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. From here you can get value of cot square theta equal to cos square theta minus 1 and cosec square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. These are the value.